Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set the time format on the Sygic GPS application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should tap on this menu icon in the upper left corner of the screen, click on Settings in the middle and tap on View and Units in the General section. After that, click on Time Format, and here you can select from 3 options. So all you have to do is clicking on relevant one, and the checkmark icon indicates which one is selected. So feel free to change it anytime you feel like to do so. That's it for this video guys, see you in the next one, bye bye.